So we'll start looking at our assignments and what we are expecting out of them. So assignment number one for input and output, we go to our website and it says we're going to create a Mad Lib. If you've never heard of a Mad Lib before, it is where the user kind of fills in some blanks before they see a story, and then a story appears. I have a link to one if you'd like to see that in, with some other examples besides my own. The minimum requirements are that you need to ask the user to input a noun, verb, color, adjective, and name. So that's 5 inputs. And then you're going to give a story, so the output will be a story that uses these pieces of information. Easiest way to do this is to come on over and see it in action. The order you ask these things doesn't matter. So we are going to just start here, and you can make little adjustments, like it said ask for a noun, but I will ask for a plural noun. Let's see, a verb. I should have said whether it was ing or past tense or present tense. Man, I can't think of a good verb, but I'll say swim. Enter a color, purple. Enter an adjective, noisy. Enter another adjective, slimy. And enter a state. Well, obviously we have to be New Jersey. Alright, so those were the ones I asked the question of, and then once I run it, we'll get these things printed out. It was a noisy and slimy night. So there it took the 2 adjectives and put them in there into the sentence. Now, when I run this, I didn't have to capitalize these. I just did that so they'd stand out a little bit. Recently, Karen had been released from jail. Karen was now on the loose and planning to swim all the banks in New Jersey. Karen feared only one thing: hummingbirds, especially purple hummingbirds. That fear drove Karen insane until Karen went back to jail voluntarily. So that's my story. You'll notice I have a few errors in the spacing of things, in the fact that this one kind of goes onto its own line and then starts a new line here. So there's a few things I could clean up, but that is how Mad Libs work.